Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a cabin air filter in a Ford Explorer. First, ensure your vehicle is off and parked safely. You will need a new cabin air filter, which is crucial for clean air inside your car. Also, grab a small flathead screwdriver. The filter is usually found behind the glove box, so we will start by accessing that area. This simple maintenance improves air quality significantly. Now let's get to the filter. Open your glove box completely. You will notice two small stops on either side. Gently push them inward to allow the glove box to swing down further. On the right side, there is a small dampener arm. Carefully unclip it. This will let the glove box drop down fully, giving you clear access to the filter housing behind it. Take your time with these steps. With the glove box out of the way, you will see a rectangular housing. This is where your cabin air filter resides. There are usually two small clips on the sides. Unclip them to open the cover. Gently slide out the old, dirty filter. Pay close attention to the airflow arrow on the old filter. Now, insert your new filter, making sure its airflow arrow points in the same direction, typically towards the rear of the vehicle. This ensures proper air circulation. Almost done. Once the new filter is in place, snap the housing cover back on. Reattach the dampener arm to the right side of the glove box. Then, lift the glove box and push the side stops back into their original positions. Close the glove box and you are all set. Remember to replace your cabin air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles or about once a year to maintain excellent air quality inside your Ford Explorer. Enjoy cleaner air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.